What is going on, guys? It's your boy, the Road 16, or the Road, whatever you guys want to call me. And today, I bring you guys a review of Golden Corral. Overall, we spent about $33 on the meal, or the plan for both of us. Let's see, the pizza was pretty terrible. I'm gonna let you guys know that, but she seemed to really enjoy the chicken breast. She had some of that salmon, but she didn't eat all of it because she said it wasn't that good. Let's see what else we had on her plate. No, I might shift over to mine soon, but she seemed to enjoy most of the things that was on her plate, except for the salmon. And she likes pizza, so she was alright with the pizza. But for me, the pizza wasn't all that good. The lasagna that was on there, magnificent. A little bit on the saltier side, but it was really good. It was really good. But as you guys can see, I didn't even bother to finish eating my pizza. I like pizza, don't get me wrong, but that pizza just didn't taste right to me, so I didn't finish it. No, I didn't have any of the mashed potatoes, but she did say it was lacking a little bit of seasoning. That's why she kind of threw some salt on there. But she didn't throw a whole lot of salt in there. It's just me putting the video in slow motion. And I had to come with the edits this time on the video. But yeah, I think she did say it was alright. Just the fact that it was missing the seasoning. Yeah. What is going on, guys? This is the last part of the video. So this is a new series to the channel. I will spend these last few minutes just kind of explaining if I think that it was worth it or not. In my opinion, for $33, it's not worth it, to be honest, because you could have went to like a Olive Garden or a more established place to get something to eat. I mean, like, the only thing that really saved the day for me was the chicken breast and the steak. The steak was pretty good, and the sauce, steak sauce that they have over there it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'll give them that. But for $33, honestly, I don't think it's worth it. But for some other people, y'all might think it's worth it. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I'm gonna give like each of the restaurants that we go to, or each of the I'm calling eateries eateries that we go to, and give them a rating out of 5. I'll give Golden Corral a 3.5 out of 5 because honestly it wasn't too bad. It was just a couple things that were just kind of like, what is this? But like overall it was pretty good. But yeah, this has been Roddy Raw, the Road 16, whatever you guys want to call me, and I'm signing out. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that. Questions in the comment section. I'm answering everything. And I'm out.